Hey guys, welcome to my empty apartment tour. Come on. We have this little hallway, and I think I'm gonna put like a table here and a mirror, but we'll design it after. Okay, so this is my living room. It is nice and big. And then over here is the kitchen. I'm gonna get some bar stools for my kitchen island, and I'm so excited because I always wanted a kitchen island. This is a refrigerator. I love it. Stainless steel. There's no groceries in it yet, but it's empty right now. It won't be empty for long. We're gonna do a grocery shopping. Okay, and then this is the bottom of the refrigerator. Okay, we got some nice spacious drawers for my silverware, some cabinet space, and then oven. I got our microwave up here. Super cute. And we have some cabinet space. I have a lot of cabinet space. And then we have the bathroom here. This is the mirror, nice and big, nice and full. This is the sink area. It has a lot of like sink space for me to put stuff on. The cabinets are pretty deep as well. And then it also has like a little toilet paper holder. We have some shelving right there. And then this is my shower. Super cute. I feel like the get ready with me videos are going to Hey guys, get ready with me okay, so then let me show you guys my room. The lighting in here is not the greatest, but it's like very gloomy out today. Let's see if I can. Yeah, so the light is not too tea, but my room. I think I'm gonna put my bed on this wall here. Alright, and then this is my closet slash laundry room. Oh, my camera is about to die. But this is my closet. We have my washer and dryer in here. And it is like a walk-in closet. So I'm super excited about that, you guys. This is my first ever apartment. Like, it feels so surreal. Like, so surreal. I'm going to show you guys everything that I bought for my apartment. So I'm going to do a little unboxing. The apartment is currently covered in boxes. But we are going to change that in 1 second. I got a Dyson vacuum. I got some knives. I honestly have so many Amazon packages that I cannot remember what I bought. So we are gonna open them together. Okay, so let's see what I got.
Oh, you're gonna put music?
Okay, so then I got this, what is this called? A tray for my silverware.
Cutlery tray.
Yes, cutlery tray. Cutlery tray. And then I got some gloves. So I got some cleaning gloves. Okay, so then I got some storage stuff for underneath the bed. So I think my shoes will go in there and like my summer clothes. There's not a lot of space in here. Oh, these are my glasses for now. Super cute. Oh, this is my purse bowl. Looks like that. This will be in like the entryway when you first walk in. I'm just gonna put my keys, and if I switch on my purses, the things that I carry every day, like my wallet, my keys, my all that. Lip gloss. I bought a hair organizer. Bought these like clear organizing bins. Shower shelves. I'm gonna put this in my shower so I can have more like space to put stuff. Got some stuff from Bath and Body Works. This little tree, it's like a plug-in air freshener. One in white sage. Oh, one spilled in here. One in marshmallow fireplace. And then one in whipped vanilla and honey. This one spilled in the bag. I got a measuring tape. I got some silverware. I got a wooden holder for my Nespresso pods. This will really come handy because I feel like I need to be more organized. And I want like a more organized coffee space area. And I honestly forgot what this is. Okay, this is for my espresso shots of coffee. I got a bed skirt. Oh, I got a squeegee to clean my shower with because it's it has a glass shower door, so it needs to be kept clean. So I got this. So hopefully it'll be easy to clean. I got a stool, a little wooden stool, so that I could prop my leg up, and like if I needed to shave my legs, it's easy. Or if I needed to sit down in the shower, I can. So I got a little wooden stool. And then I got this for my hand soaps to sit on top of, and it's also like water resistant, so water isn't splashing everywhere. Bottles for my soaps. I should have got 2 more of these. Trash bags for my trash can. And then I got some towels. I have been collecting this stuff since July. Oh, this is for my refrigerator. It has the drink that you, and then you take one out. Yeah. I gotta watch a video how to put this together. This is what it looks like. Yes. got a smoothie so I can make all my protein shakes and juice and everything like that. Oh, I got my blender. I got my smoothie. I got my blender so I can make my smoothie. So then I have a griddle. A griddle?
Where's the grid? Where's the griddle?
You just cook on top.
Like a stuff, like a
You just gotta wash this. You don't gotta wash no pots and pans. You just wash this. And this, I'm not gonna open it now because my bed is in here now. My comforter. And then I got a stone mat for my shower when I get out the shower. Step on the stone mat. What'd you say?
Stone bath. You better put that on now.
Am I about to open it?
Oh, you gotta put it down now. Oh, you gotta clean the floor.
Yeah. Open it.
Hey, hurry up.
Sorry.
Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Let's buy the present now.
I think they wanted to. What'd you say?
They would people work with this.
They would.
Barely.
And my TV isn't here yet.
Oh, yeah, barely hot. People. That looks like a cutting board.
It does.
Cutting board too.
It does look like it, but it's a bath mat.
Stone mat. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Oh, wow. So when you get it, okay.
I guess it collects the water.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Nice. It is nice. Very, yeah.
The trash can is, what do you call it? Touchless. You just wave your hand over it. And then I got some pots and some pans to cook with. Because what else will we be doing with pots and pans?
Hello.
You like?
I love.
Go over handle.
Ooh, nice.
Nice.
With the handle?
Nice.
Okay.
Real nice. Cute, you guys. These are so nice. Love. Freaking love. Well, no, I really like these pans. We're gonna do some cooking vlogs together. Got some things from Target. I got a candle, vanilla and bergamot. This one smells so good. Yes, there we go. This one smells so good.
Amazing.
Amazing. Since it's Christmas time, I got a coffee mug to fit the festive vibes. I got
So cute.
this throw blanket.
Oh my goodness. No, no, no,
I just got some cleaning stuff from Target as well. We'll just do a rapid fire this. Got some Clorox to clean the toilet, some toothpaste, some body wash. This one is in the scent warm vanilla and sweet cream. Oh, that one smells so good. More toothpaste press. I love white teeth, so I gotta try to keep my teeth white, and I am a coffee drinker at that. More toothpaste. Method all-purpose cleaner, sandalwood and cedar. This one, when I tell you guys, smells amazing. It smells amazing. Like, it doesn't even smell, it smells like perfume. It doesn't even smell like cleaner. Another coffee mug, because it's like
I
very
would never do that.
festive. Some Sippies. This is a scent chai latte. Stainless steel wipes for my appliances. Some backup spray, just in case I run out and they were having a sale. Some Downy Calm dryer sheets. This is April Fresh. Dryer scents. Scent beads. This is toasted vanilla. It smells okay. I like the first one better. Yeah. Yeah. And then I got some spray. This is Clean Freak antibacterial spray. I got some pads for my toilet cleaner, so I have some backup pads. Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaner, so I can mop the floors with. Persil is like my all-time favorite laundry soap, so I stocked up on these, and they were having a sale as well. Scrub Daddy, or Scrub Mommies, my bad. I got a Scrub Mommy. The pink stuff. I saw this all over TikTok, and honestly I was curious, so I just want to see like, what is this? I have this basket. This is like my laundry basket. I got a Swiffer to mop the floors. I have some dish soap, some mouthwash, dishwasher pots. I have this antimicrobial. I already tried to set it up, but it's like making me download stuff and everything. But this is a Shark vacuum cleaner, so I'll be able to have my place vacuumed when I'm not at home, and it allows me to like press something on an app. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit on that post notifications bell so that you will never miss a video when I post. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.